Welcome back to level 4, lesson 9, getting screen inputs. I may have jumped the gun a little bit. We'll see. It says drop downs. You can also edit the drop down list of options from design mode. Oops, I already did this. For example, you could update the color choices to match two opposing sports teams or the school logo colors. So do this in design mode, which we already went to last level. Select the drop down elements and change the colors in the options area. Kind of like I already did. For example, colors that match what you're wearing today or colors that match different sports teams. Show me how. So you click on the design button right here, and then you click on the button right here, and then it shows you your options, and that's where you can add in all the different colors. All right. Since we kind of already did that, this is gonna make this super easy. Click on run, pink, update. Ta-da! There we go. All right, so this level was already kind of done. Oops, my bad. Let's go on to level 5. See you there.